Number 5. Panasonic HCWX-F1. 4K cinema-like recording experience with advanced in-camera capture and button control options. Leica Dicomer 24x optical zoom lens. 3 optical image stabilization. 5-axis hybrid OIS+, ball OIS, and adaptive OIS. Its manual control ring can be dedicated to perform a number of functions. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Canon XC10 Professional. 4K wide-angle 10x zoom lens with image stabilizer. 12-megapixel 1-inch 4K compatible CMOS image sensor. XFAVC codec for 4K 30p and Full HD 60p. Multiple recording modes and frame rates. Fast 4K recording technology. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Sony FDR-AX700. 1.0 type, stacked XMR back illuminated CMOS sensor. Incredibly fast, hybrid AF with 273 points and wide coverage. 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160, in addition to Full HD. Instant HDR workflow with hybrid log gamma, HLG, encoding. Zeiss Vario Sonor T12x optical zoom lens W/29mm wide-angle. Power requirements, 7.4 volts, battery pack, 8.4 volts, AC adapter. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. JVC HM250 House Worship. 1x 1/2.3 CMOS sensor records UHD 4K 24/30p at 71/50ths of a megabit per second. IP control and Full HD live streaming 4:2:2 4K video at 24/30p. Lower thirds and titling system in HD 0conf, 1-button LAN configuration. 3G SDI and HDMI out, Live HDMI UHD 4K out 12x optical zoom lens. 2-channel XLR audio inputs. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Canon XF705. 15x optical zoom, 30x digital. 1-inch CMOS sensor, 13.4MP. H.265/head codec, 4:2, 210-bit color. UHD 4K up to 60 fps, 1080p to 120 fps. HDMI 2.0 output capable of 4K UHD 60p. Please check the description for details and best price.